What is going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of R&M. It's a beautiful day here in Central Texas, and today we're going to install some switchbacks from our RPM 956. Sorry, I can't talk. But yeah, we're going to get them installed. We're going to give you a review of them. We're going to see how we like them. So far, everything else from RPM 956 or Fred on all the Facebook pages, man, they've been great. I got his interior lights. His reverse lights are super bright. Did a video on those about a week ago. I've got his LED turn signals. I've got his headlights and his fog light bulbs. Man, so far I'm impressed. So I'm pretty excited to get these switchbacks installed. So let's go. It is another day because the weather's been kind of crappy, and I got a little busy with family stuff over Thanksgiving and whatnot, so it's taking me a minute to get this video out. However, kind of ashamed of myself because installing these switchbacks literally took not even 5 minutes. It took me longer to figure out which way the bulb needed to go for the polarity to be correct. Yeah, so stupid simple installation, super awesome. All right, so what you're looking at right now, you're looking at the air box. This is the passenger side of the truck. I'm going to show you how simple this is to do real quick. All right, I've not removed anything. Got my little LED light. That's it. That's all you have to do to remove the turn signal bulb. It's one twist. So simple. Alright, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take this guy out. Just going to pull him apart, like so. Boom. Going to take RPM 956's switchback, which looks super awesome, if the camera will focus, maybe. Looks really, really good. Just going to pop this guy in there. Make sure it's in there snug. That's it. You're ready to go back in. Now, it is a little taller. But the light output with this guy is 10 times better. Now, I'm going to do my best to try to, if I can find my flashlight wherever the heck I stuck it. That's about right. Oh, hey, it's over here. Sorry. Anyway, now, this is a little bit longer. This is definitely a little bit longer than the factory bulb that's in there. But I had no problem installing the passenger side, so let's see how easy it goes on the driver's side. I'm going to find our little hole again, which is right there. Come on. There we go. All right. Going in. And we're just going to pop and click. And that's it. Stick it in there and twist. Lordy, that's way too simple. Okay, guys, what we're looking at is underneath the hood. Ta-da! There's the hammy. What we're looking at is the back side of the driver's side. Excuse me, the driver's side headlight. It's right here. See? Ta-da! And what we're looking for is this little tab right here. That guy. That's the guy you're going to want to remove. And I had no clue it had a bulb in it, so kind of threw me for a loop. However, it's easy to just take out and put a new bulb in and throw it back in there. So 2 minutes tops. Oh yeah, hey, just be careful. You don't turn it the wrong way and break it. I could see how that could be an issue. So, all right, guys, thanks for watching this episode of R&M. I really appreciate it. There's going to be a link in the description below of the video for Fred and RPM 956, and yeah, that's it. That's your switchback install. I'm gonna get some night shots so we can really tell a difference, and then I'll be posting the video to YouTube hopefully tomorrow, Monday, maybe. We'll see. I don't know. Y'all have a great weekend. All right, guys, here we go. It's now later on in the night, and that's what the front of the truck looks like. We're gonna do a walk around since I got so much of Fred's LED bulbs on the truck. So I'm just gonna kind of walk around and tell you what I got. So here we go.